You have no idea why I'm making a remake version of this because my voice sounds quiet, so yeah. What a beautiful day today. Yeah, I agree, Disney Ed. What are you talking to me like? Anyways, I think we should go away. Yeah. Hey guys, I found a way. What do you mean, why? I mean, E. I found that way. Wow, we just basically just disappear into utter nothingness. Let's go. Wait, Disney text, where are you going? Uh, uh, what? Hey, what you doing here? Why? Oh, come on. Wait a second. Oh, come on. It's not like they're really that great. Yeah, I agree with E here because they're not that important. Wait, what's going on in me? Wait, what do you mean? Oh no! What do I eat? Oh my god, our faces are getting erased. What's going on? Hey guys, we're finally back. Yeah, what do we miss? Yeah. You guys missed nothing here. That's E saying that, like, I'm not stupid, y'all. I'm not Anyways, we should get a race. Yeah. Hey, hey, dude, what do you want? You want to go be a race from reality? That's a terrible idea. Anyways, I'm gonna race all of you guys now. Yeah. Oh no. What are you doing? Oh my god. No, guys, we have to get out of here. We have to get out of here. We need to go. Ah! No! Help! No, E, go get out! Oh no! Ah! No! No! Wait, what's going on? Why am I the only one left? Oh, the seed's back. What? No! 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 Wait, what? No! I don't want to become Mickey Mouse. No! No! Anyways, stay